Have you ever thought about repurposing your old single bed mattress or twin bed mattress, as you call it in America? G'day, I'm Aussie Tobes, and today I'm going to talk about repurposing your single bed mattress. So, what do you do with your leftover mattresses? Have you ever thought about turning your leftover mattress into something else in your house that maybe you haven't even thought of? I have this really cool hack that my mum taught me. Today, I am filming from our spare room. It's a lovely grey colour with that beautiful print behind me. So, why not turn your old single mattress into a bedhead? So this one here is a spare mattress that we use for when we have guests come over. Now, we already have a queen size bed in this room, but we are also going to use our old single bed mattress as two things. One, a bed head, and two, a spare bed for when extra visitors come and stay. You have a look at this. Can you see there's two mattresses actually? So two extra people can stay in our house on top of the two extra people who can stay in the queen size bed in this room. It's a really, really good storage hack, and it's also a really, really good way of reusing or repurposing your mattress. This is our son's bed, and this is the mattress behind his bed. So we make that into a bed head, and I've just gone to a fabric store and picked out a lovely fabric that covers over it. So when he has a friend to come and stay over, he can just take the mattress cover off and put the mattress on the floor. This is our daughter's room. She has a spare mattress behind her bed, and I have gone and put some fabric on it that I really, really like. And when she has a friend who comes and stays over, she too can also pull that mattress out. I hope you liked this mattress hack, and I hope it can help you out. And if you like my content, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.